Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese enchiladas. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of shredded cheese, a dozen corn tortillas, and a good quality red enchilada sauce. Don't forget a little oil for frying and some onion for flavor. This simple list ensures a fantastic meal every time, so let's get cooking. Next, we prepare our tortillas. Briefly fry each corn tortilla in a shallow pan with a little hot oil. This quick fry makes them soft and flexible, preventing them from breaking when you roll them. It also helps them absorb the sauce better. Just a few seconds per side is all it takes, then let them drain on paper towels.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And speaking of bringing things to life, how about bringing your kitchen to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for playing your favorite cooking tunes or setting timers for your enchiladas. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the fun part, assembly. Dip each warmed, fried tortilla into your red enchilada sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Then place a generous amount of shredded cheese, about 1/4 cup, down the center. Roll the tortilla up tightly and arrange it seam side down in your baking dish. Repeat until your dish is full. Once all your enchiladas are rolled and in the dish, pour any remaining sauce over the top. Then, sprinkle a final layer of cheese over everything. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. You want the cheese melted and bubbly and the enchiladas heated through. Serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.